What's up, guys? It's Gracie. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm in a different setup, as you can see. Today I will be trying to follow like a makeup tutorial. I will have the video down below that I'm following in case you guys want to try it. And by the way, like, I never wear makeup. Like, I've been, like, if we go out to fancy things, I get to wear mascara sometimes. But, like, I never do my own makeup. Like, my sister always does it when we're, you know, yeah. But, so I am not, like, skilled. I'm not a beauty guru, you know. I mean, I'd like to be one, but I'm only 12, so. Yeah, let's just get on to the video. I'm going to be pausing this a lot.
So we're going to start by priming the skin. I'm going to go in with an old favorite.
Okay, so we use primer. This is primer. My brother told me to do this. Okay, so let's see how she applies it.
The Laura Mercier Foundation Primer in Radiance.
I also have a mirror right here. And tiny mirrors everywhere else. Okay, so you... How about this? Go. My sister's probably judging me.
Crazy hands. I tried on a new self tanner and I actually really liked the new self tanner, but I like messed it up on my hands because I didn't moisturize them beforehand, and then it was just like a nightmare. So my hands look horrible. So just disregard those, please. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Pro Glow. I honestly really should not be filming right now because people are coming to my house in like an hour.
It's making weird noises. Oh. You like it? Didn't give enough? Okay. You know, it's good. We chill. Good. I don't look. I know I don't look different. Okay, don't judge me. Okay, now. I know she keeps talking. This is 9 minutes long. Okay.
The same like flawless application with a brush. Like you definitely can. I don't know about with your fingers, like depending on the product, but like
I feel like I'm like not using like any. Like hers, like she has a lot. No, we are going simple.
Do I just suck or like is that a thing? Let me know down below. But I just feel like the Beauty Blender makes it so much quicker. Like my foundation is basically already all blended. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with Tarte's Shape Tape. Also,
concealer.
Hear a difference in the audio. I did fully sound panel.
Now she does the clown thing.
The echo, and I also got a new mic.
I know these
really,
things.
Really helping with the echo.
What she's doing when you do that.
I've literally like swapped out my
She doesn't.
secret brightening powder for this, and this is so much cheaper. But I honestly really like the finish that this gives.
Wait, what?
Laura Mercier Secret Brightening still
Go back.
Hold up. I need to do this first. I look like a clown. This hurts. Dawson, stop looking at me. I feel like this is taking off the makeup. See, that worked way better. Oh, I just poked myself in the eye. Ow. Ooh, I'm good. I'm smart.
What's her name again?
This one? No, that's blush. Right? I'm right. Be good. Okay, now.
This new Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 35.
Have you seen this one?
It looks really pretty. I've never tried it, never touched it, but it looks pretty. And I'm first just gonna take these two mattes on the bottom here and mix them together in my crease. I feel like
the crease is right here. Okay, so we need the light ones because she used light ones, I think. So I don't like this brush, so we're gonna use this. I'm smart. Okay, so we're gonna mix these two. Real blurry. I don't even know how to do this. This looks so bad. I should probably have her be doing this while I'm... They look a little bit more similar. And then I used a little bit of this. Ow.
This palette, actually, I like the way it turned out. I think it looks pretty good.
Mine looks
I'm
horrible.
going in with my NYC liquid liner. I'm not going to go for like a big wing.
That's not mascara. That's.
A small one.
This might take a little while.
For
Where
what?
did I put it? It's eyeliner. Where did we put the eyeliner? Bear with me, everyone. We're gonna use this one because you can't. Dang it, I blinked. I started out like okay, like, right? I can't do this eye like at all, like right now, like. There.
Pharaoh.
This one like looks more Egyptian than this one. This one I just gave up on. Okay, we're gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original. I think I hear my dog outside.
Bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced bronzer in Beach Bunny. I'm just going to
Beach Bunny.
with this, and I'm actually going to wear blush today, you guys. So I'm not going to do as much bronzer as normal, because normally I
Okay.
do bronzer and I kind of skip through blush.
Good.
But I am going to wear a little blush today.
Okay.
But before we do...
Good enough, right?
Blush, I'm going to go in with this one from Tarte. This is the Tarte blush in Risque.
Risque. Okay. Other way. Do you use the same brush?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this, and then you. And right here. If I look like a clown, I'm suing someone.
For my highlight, I'm going to go in with the Ofra Naked Tutorials collab. I'm going to use the gold and the
This is highlight, right?
I'm just going to kind of mix them together on my brush and then go in with them.
Do I do it with a brush or my finger?
I use my fingers.
Fingers.
It's actually a weird highlight.
She said glazed donut.
And you like blend it out or something. Blend it a little bit, but it's just a lot. Maybe neck might be one.
I've never used lip liner before. BT does for. Stop staring at me. You know I'm beautiful. My brother and sister are whispering and it's scaring me. Stop staring at me!
Okay, I'll tell you what the Snapchat said.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look.
Can't seem to get where we're going, but the hard times.
So anyways, I feel like that I did horrible. I think I would rate this at a negative 700,000 million out of 10. So yeah, hers looked really good. Mine is special. But yeah, anyways, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to comment down below if you've ever done like eyeliner and looks like this. Like a pharaoh. You know, it doesn't look good. But anyways, make sure to comment down below and subscribe and like this video. So yeah, bye. Thank you. Tutorial by Kelly Strax. I mean, it's Strax.
Wow.
And today I will be trying to,
Why is this so funny?
Your time is up, I'll tell you why. You